Merry Christmas, everybody. This is a finished tree. Said I'd promise you it. Look at that. We've got Layla and a spoon. But Layla, this was my old dog's toy, Becky, that we had, and she used to love this toy. So my dad's brought it me up to obviously give to Layla. But when we play it, see what Layla does. Hey, see what you do, Layla. Layla, what's this? That's it. She don't know what to do. There. Hey. What are you going to make of that then? That was Becky's favourite toy at Christmas time. You'd have loved Becky. Is she scared? It's not scared. Let's one more time. One more time. Strange. Where's it? Where's it? It's such beautiful. No, look at that. Oh, a spoon. Yep, spoon face. Go get a spoon, fish it. Anyway, Merry Christmas. I'll do one more upload before Christmas and then I think that's it, hey? Alright, alright.